Before I found out about D.R.I, I spent all my time doing laundry, and I had no time for my family and even less time for what I enjoyed. And since I found out about D.R.I, I don't have to spend all my time doing laundry. I get to spend my time doing what I want to. Excuse me.
Hi, I'm Lex Stockdale, and I have with me Miss Madeline Strahan, President and CEO of Domestic Robotics Incorporated, also known as D.R.I. Ms. Strahan, how will D.R.I.'s new robot affect the future of household chores?
As you may know, Stomp & Steve is only the beginning of D.R.I.'s domestic line of machines. Before Steve, we had a robot in the medical care industry, aiding in the purification of human blood. In addition to that, we also have a robot that we send into space to repair the Hubble space station. Stomp & Steve marks the entrance of D.R.I. to the household market, and as far as the American family is concerned, things can only get easier.
So, what exactly does Stomp & Steve do?
Our engineers designed Steve as a household assistant to the modern housewife. The age-old problem of laundry is in the past. With Stomp & Steve, it is possible to dry large quantities of laundry without the conventional clothespins and lines in the backyard. Our robot actually takes your laundry and hangs it to dry while you sit and watch.
How did D.R.I. come up with the original design for Stomp & Steve?
The first step in designing a robot was to come up with ideas to use, mainly what we wanted Steve to do. This is the brainstorming process. Next, we needed to know not only what we wanted Steve to do, but also how he would do to each task. Design was the next step. Some ideas may be perfect in theory, but in practical situation, it may not function as planned. Prototype is the next step of the process that our engineers had to work on. After the design was tested for practicality, our team was moved on to the production. After the robot was complete, it was time to test our robot in the real world. In short, that is how D.R.I. came up with the idea for Steve.
I had no idea that so much went into the production of a robot. Thank you for your time, Ms. Strahan. And now back to the testimonials of this wonderful product.
Hello everyone, I'm Timothy Smart, a student at Greenleaf University. Now, I've tried millions of different laundry products, but they didn't work so well. They left something to be desired. My laundry always ended up, well, like this. However, D.R.I. released a new laundry robot that does all my laundry for me. And my laundry doesn't end up like this, it ends up like this. Thank you, D.R.I.